Guys, in the Nifty expiry, so we know already crude prices above 90, US-Iran tension is getting worse. At the same time, in the FIIs 2,500 crore sell a lot of negativity, but at the same time, banking sector positives. So that's what we discuss. So expiry, opening a gap down, almost 40-50 point gap down. So yesterday, a bigger red candle market close. That's the reason I explained. Further, a 50-40 point gap down. That means, we in the low, 24,230. Close at 24,240, 250 open and it can move to 24,230. Our level break yesterday's level break negative negative FIAs sell 24,100 next level and 24,000 also, but 24,000 like a larger range 24,100 in the low break next level, but most probably market will take support. Yesterday's low supported chance under, so 24,230 could be a support level. Biggest issue US-Iran our 60-day interim peace agreement expired. US-Iran extended plan Iran US blockade break military action possibility Trump Oman name warns Oman one of the most important intermediary in the Strait of Hormuz discussion. So this Brent crude 91 WTI 85 90 crores psychologically negative, especially in the Indian market. That's rupee affect, current account deficit affect, inflation affect, affected. That's market time affect. So of course 40-50 point gap down. So a gap down is sustain. Banking positive, a high powered committee on banking reforms discussed with the finance minister yesterday to improve the competitiveness of public sector bank. That's positive. Next 12 days, FCNR deposit 5 billion increase liquidity that's positive. Reliance Rolls-Royce partnership jet engine manufacturing related. So our Reliance in the evolution chemicals, refining and then consumer and then telecom and now high-tech manufacturing. So other positive considering. Apart from that, unemployment rate data improved 5.5 5.1 but agriculture area total acre 21 lakh hectares down. So possibly food inflation chance already monsoon yearly, so food inflation Pinna negative the FIAs 2,500 crore sell but DIA 5,000 crore buy. So important level 24,230 in the low support and upside 24,360 first level, 24,475 next level. So keep this level in mind and plan your trades. Trade responsibly, place your stop losses in the system. Take care of time.